In this video, we're going to show you how to download games faster on PS5. Right, so to do this, you need to use rest mode to increase your download speeds. So this was something on the PS4 that players claimed increased download speeds a bit, even though Sony never officially labeled it as a benefit of the feature. Regardless, it makes sense that games would download faster on rest mode, even slightly. So to do this, go to settings, and in settings, select system, and then select power saving. Step 4 is select features available in rest mode. Step 5, toggle stay connected to the internet on. In order to make sure your games automatically update in the rest mode, go to settings and scroll down and select save data and game/app settings, and then select automatic updates. Step 4, toggle both auto download and auto install in rest mode on. To enter rest mode, just be sure to select the option that you're on the power menu. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on our next video.